Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to show you an affordable RGB LED light from GVM, the RGB 10S light panel. It's equipped with a Sony NP-F550 rechargeable battery for more convenient indoor or outdoor use. It has two knobs, one for brightness adjustment and another for bicolor temperature dimmable from 3200K to 5600K or hue adjustments. The built-in LCD display will show the accurate information of the adjustment. The color rendering index of this light is up to CRI 97+. With the GVM app control system for iOS or Android, I can fully control the light from my smartphone. I can change the color temperatures, for example, to cold or warm, or I can change the hues to get the different colors, or just adjust the brightness. I can also diffuse the light with a piece of plastic that comes with the light when I want a softer light quality. Please keep in mind that the tripod I use in this video doesn't come with the light in the package. Beside the battery charger, there is a 1/4 horseshoe mount for mounting the light on top of the camera. This small LED panel can be used for many different purposes in photography and filmmaking. I can use this as a main light or just a headlight. But I like to use this as an accent light the most. As you can see, I can turn the background into any color I want to make my photos or video look more interesting. So I think if you are in a low budget or just want to add some nice color to your images, this light could be your next purchase. I will put the link in the description down below and you can check it out. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.